In 2025, the demand for cloud engineers will be at an all-time high because cloud computing is the backbone of modern technology. Whether you're starting from scratch with zero technical knowledge or you're already a tech expert, we've got the ultimate roadmap to help you land a job with top companies. Follow this step-by-step guide, powered by artificial intelligence, and position yourself as a standout candidate. Stay with us until the end, because this is where your cutting-edge career begins. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We bring you the latest technology innovations even before they are available to the public. First, let's get our fundamentals strong. No career journey starts without understanding the basics. First up, networking, IP addressing, DNS, load balancers and VPNs. Next, operating systems, master Linux and Windows Server. Then, programming. Learn Python and Bash scripting for automation. Next, infrastructure as code. Start with Terraform, AWS CDK, Azure Bicep, and Google Deployment Manager. Moving on, security basics. Learn IAM, Identity and Access Management, and the principle of least privilege. Next, cost management tools. Use AWS Cost Explorer, Azure Cost Management, and GCP Pricing Calculator to track expenses. Now let's dive into the real power of the cloud, the services that make it all work. First, AWS services, EC2 for virtual servers, S3 for storage, RDS for managed databases, and Lambda for serverless functions. Next, Azure services, virtual machines, blob storage, Azure AD Identity Management, and serverless functions. Then, GCP services, compute engine, cloud storage, Cloud SQL and cloud functions. Moving on, security and compliance tools. AWS Security Hub, Azure Security Center, and GCP Security Command Center. Next, compliance tools like AWS Artifact, Azure Policy, and GCP Forseti ensure your cloud meets industry standards. Now let's level up. At this stage, you should master automation, scalability, and cloud best practices. Learn cloud-native technologies like Kubernetes, AWS EKS, Azure AKS, and Google GKE. Next, serverless computing, AWS Lambda, Azure Functions, and Google Cloud Functions. Then, multi-cloud strategies, Google Anthos, Azure Arc, and AWS Outposts. Moving on, cost optimization tools, AWS Trusted Advisor, Azure Advisor, and GCP Cost Optimization. Next, best practices and compliance checkers, AWS Well-Architected Tool, Azure Well-Architected Review, and GCP Architecture Framework. You've made it to the architect level. This is where you design and deploy large-scale cloud solutions. Master cloud deployment strategies. Public cloud where you do full deployment on AWS, Azure, or GCP. Then, master these private cloud solutions. 1. VMware on AWS. 2. Azure Stack. 3. Google Anthos. 4. IBM Cloud. 5. HPE GreenLake. 6. Dell Apex. 7. OpenStack. 8. Cisco Cloud. And 9. Oracle Cloud. Next, hybrid cloud solutions. 1. AWS Outposts. 2. Azure Arc. And 3. Google Anthos. Then, security at scale. 1. Zero Trust Architecture. 2. SIEM tools. 3. AWS Guard Duty. 4. Azure Sentinel. And 5. Google Chronicle SIEM. Next, compliance at scale. Industry standards such as HIPAA, GDPR, SOC2, and FedRAMP. Master compliance checkers such as AWS Audit Manager, Azure Policy, and GCP Security Command Center. Now we dive into the most exciting part. If you want to land a high-paying job in cloud computing, certifications are the key to success. I will break down every AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud certification from beginner to architect level. Let's get started. If you're new to cloud computing, start with these beginner-friendly certifications. These will give you the fundamentals of cloud services security and pricing models. AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. Learn the basics of AWS services, security, pricing, and best practices. Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamentals. It covers Azure services, governance, and cloud computing models. Google Associate Cloud Engineer. teaches you how to deploy and manage cloud applications on GCP. If you already have some experience in cloud computing, it's time to go deeper. AWS Certified Developer. Learn to build and deploy AWS applications. AWS Certified SysOps Administrator. Become an expert in AWS monitoring, automation, and security. Azure Administrator Associate. Learn how to manage Azure services, security, and networking. Azure Developer Associate. Build apps using Azure Functions, Kubernetes, and DevOps. Certifications from Google. Professional Cloud Developer. Develop and deploy applications on GCP. Professional Cloud Security Engineer. Secure cloud applications and manage IAM in Google Cloud. Now, if you're aiming for senior cloud roles, these advanced level certifications will take your career to the next level. AWS Certified DevOps Engineer. Master CI/CD automation and AWS DevOps tools. AWS Certified Security Specialty. Specialize in cloud security, IAM encryption and compliance. Azure DevOps Engineer Expert. Master DevOps tools, CI/CD pipelines, and cloud automation. Azure Security Engineer Associate. Secure and monitor cloud applications in Azure. Google Professional Data Engineer. Manage large-scale data processing and analytics in GCP. Finally, if you want to design and build entire cloud infrastructures, these architect-level certifications are for you. AWS Certified Solutions Architect. AWS's most prestigious architecture certification. AWS Certified Security Specialty. Advanced Cloud Security Compliance and Threat Detection. Azure Solutions Architect Expert. Azure's top-level certification for cloud architects. Azure AI Engineer Associate. Covers AI machine learning and cognitive services in Azure. Azure IoT Developer Specialty. Master IoT Cloud Solutions and Security. Google Professional Cloud Architect. Learn advanced multi-cloud and hybrid cloud strategies. Google Professional Cloud Network Engineer. Specialize in networking, hybrid cloud, and VPNs. Google Professional Cloud Security Engineer. Secure large-scale cloud environments. Google Professional Cloud DevOps Engineer. Learn site reliability engineering, CI/CD, and Kubernetes. Whichever path you choose, getting certified will boost your career and salary. But remember, the key to success is hands-on experience. Start building your own cloud projects. Sign up for free tier cloud accounts. Many cloud service providers offer free tiers that allow users to start using their services without any upfront costs. Contribute to open source cloud projects. Network with other cloud engineers on LinkedIn and GitHub. Visit AICareerGuru.com for cutting-edge AI-powered training, expert career mentoring, academic project guidance, and exciting internship opportunities. Subscribe now to stay at the forefront of the AI revolution as it unfolds.